The IOA questioning them as to what steps have been taken against Suresh Kalmadi. The IOC has demanded a letter from IOA about details of the charge sheet against Kalmadi, also the observations of the Ethics Commission of the Indian Olympic Association.
The IOC first sent a letter to the IOA addressed the 23rd of January in which they had raised a lot of concerns. The reply that the IOA sent, it actually contained a bail letter that Suresh Kalmadi had got, and the letter that he had written to the IOA saying that he did not wish to be actively involved in the IOA's activities. But the IOC is not satisfied with this letter and they've written another letter to the IOA. It is dated the 31st of January and it is addressed to the IOA acting president V.K. Malhotra. A few issues that are addressed in the letter are mainly that the IOC wants to know what are the charges that have been filed against Suresh Kalmadi, Lalit Bhanot and V.K. Verma. It goes on to say that they would also want to be apprised of whatever the IOA's activities are as far as these three are concerned. They want the minutes of the meeting of the executive body meet which was held on the 25th of December in New Delhi. Apart from that, they are also unhappy about the fact that they were not apprised about the ethics panel report in which they suspended these three accused. So the IOC wants the IOA to inform them about any activities that they do as far as these three are concerned. They want to be apprised of the latest meeting which is being scheduled in the last week of February, an emergency meet that the IOA has called. They want the minutes of the meeting of that meeting as well and the last one which took place in December. So obviously the IOC is not happy with the way the IOA is acting and taking actions against these three